Number 1. Walking or running. Walking or running daily keeps your heart healthy, manages the symptoms of type 2 diseases. Having a strong immune system is necessary at any point of time to stay safe from disease-causing germs and viruses. The importance of strong immunity is even more at this time, when we are fighting from coronavirus, which has gripped the entire world. Turns out, you can boost your immunity by exercising daily for a specific amount of time. Number 2. Immune building food. If you are concerned whether you are getting the right amount of nutrients from your diet, consult with your doctor about a supplementation regimen to boost your immune system. Here are a few common supplements and superfoods that can help. Vitamin C, Vitamin D, Zinc, elderberry, turmeric and garlic. The Indian Health Ministry is also suggesting few organic and natural ways to practice as preventive measures to fight COVID-19. Number 3. Drinking more water. Drink warm water throughout the day. Staying hydrated remains important at any age for optimal body and immune system function. However, as you get older, you may lose some of your sense of thirst. Therefore, it's important to be mindful of how much water you drink to ensure you get enough each day. Keeping a warm water bottle with you also can remind you to sip on it throughout the day. Number 4. Good sleep every day. Don't compromise on sleep. Good snooze time for 7 to 8 hours is the best way to help your body build immunity. Lesser sleep will leave you tired and impair your brain activity. The lack of sleep will prevent the body from resting, and this will impair other bodily functions that will have a direct impact on your immunity. Lack of sleep adversely affects the action of the flu vaccine. Number 5. Practice basic meditation. Too much stress releases the hormone known as cortisol, which impairs your response to immediate surroundings and makes your body susceptible to infections. You are left feeling constantly anxious. The best way to relieve stress is through meditation. It is a tried and tested activity to calm the nerves. If you need help meditating, then there are several channels on YouTube that have instructional resources to help you meditate. Number 6. Drink herbal tea. Drink herbal tea or decoction of holy basil, cinnamon, black pepper, dry ginger and raisin. Avoid sugar and replace it with jaggery if needed. People are now returning to their roots and started adding natural ingredients in their diet. Herbal tea is one of the best drinks in India, with a lot of healthy benefits. Daily consumption of this drink is recommended by the Indian Ministry of Ayurveda, Yoga, and Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha, and Homeopathy in this pandemic situation. Number 7. Warm bath or shower. Essential oils continue to build a strong reputation for their health benefits, among which is improved immunity. Specifically, eucalyptus and tea tree oils have been called out for their antiviral properties to help ward off infections. To receive the benefits of these oils, add to an oil diffuser to inhale them, or add to a warm bath or shower. You also could add these oils to your own homemade hand sanitizer and absorb them through the skin. Number 8. Go outside. Fresh air and sunshine are a powerful combination for maintaining a healthy immune system. Taking a walk each day not only offers a chance to get in some exercise, but it also gives us a chance to enjoy a change of scenery. Communing with nature helps promote peace within and settles our souls. In addition, the vitamin D you receive from sunshine has long been heralded for its ability to strengthen immune system function. If you are unable to get outside, taking a vitamin D supplement is a good alternative. Number 9. Maintain good hygiene habits. Don't forget to follow the number 1 recommendation from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention to prevent infection: wash your hands thoroughly and often. According to the CDC, we should wash our hands before eating, before and during cooking, after using the bathroom, after we blow our nose, after coughing or sneezing, and before or after caring for someone who is ill. For all hand washing, lather hands with soap and scrub the hands and between fingers for a minimum of 20 seconds before rinsing. Even though clean hands don't have a direct effect on the immune system, reducing the number of times you get sick improves your well-being. Number 10. Avoid smoking, alcohol and other addictive substances. Certain habits like smoking, vaping, alcohol consumption and substance abuse have a direct correlation between weakened body defenses and respiratory illnesses. Engaging in smoking and vaping is proven to weaken your lung capacity and destroy the cells lining your respiratory tracts. These cells are crucial to fight viruses that enter through your nasal orifices. There is new research claiming that individuals who engage in heavy alcohol consumption tend to suffer from ARDS, which is one of the conditions caused by COVID-19 infection. Practice moderation if you are dependent on any of these, as sudden withdrawal can also prove to be risky.